All right, this is Bubba Shack Food Review. Me and Bubba's at Firehouse Subs, and he got him a new Nashville brisket. Lord, Bubba, go on and get into that Nashville brisket right there and tell the world.
I'll tell you, that's a pretty good sandwich today. I really like that sandwich.
Oh, man.
I like the looks of it anyway. I got to bite into it.
Look good, don't it?
I've got to get a good bite.
Go on, get in that thing. Oh, man, would you look at that right there. Is that a good sandwich or what? That's Bubba Shack Food Review. Bubba, tell the world where you at.
I'm over at Firehouse Subs on Route 1.
Route 1. And tell them what you're eating.
No.
That's a Nashville brisket.
Yeah, that's what that is, a Nashville brisket. And I'm going to tell you what, that thing is really nice.
Oh, man, do you love it? It's new. Just come out. Just come out. That thing is right in.
Sub? Yeah.
I see you got a Crocodile Dundee hat on today. Camouflaged all up. Where you going, deer hunting?
Yeah, I think I'm going to go out in the woods for a little while. Try to see if I can see what I can see.
Well, I got a new hat for you here while you're here. Why don't you put your fire hat on for the public and show them what that looks like?
Oh, the fire hat?
Yeah, put the fire hat on, Bubba.
Take a Crocodile Dundee hat off?
Yeah.
Put the fire hat on?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that fire engine.
There you go, boy.
You know, my uncle was a fire captain.
Was he?
In Quantico.
That's good. That's good. Tell him about that sandwich, Bubba.
He gets a real good pension.
Tell him about that sandwich.
Anyway, that sandwich is pretty good, too. That's kind of fire hot.
You glad I come got you at the woods today and have a little lunch?
I'm glad you did, because if it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't have got nothing to eat today.
We're going to try to set you up an account, Bubba, so we can get you some money. We're going to ask people to send $1, $2, anything they can send to help you. And we're going to try to get you straight, and if we can, we can. But we're going to try, ain't we, boy? And
Yeah,
we're going
to give it a whirl.
We're going to do these food reviews and give them something to look at. Do you like your hat?
Yeah, I like that fire engine hat. I'd look good on the back of one of them fire engines rolling down the road trying to fight them fires, ain't you?
Yes, Lord. We all laid up here in Firehouse Subs.
Because, you know...
Oh, man. Yes, Lord, we are.
There could be a lot of people this winter trying to build a fire and trying to get it too hot.
Yeah.
And, they're going to have to jump out of the building because the fire's too hot.
Oh, man. Tell them what that sandwich is right there. That's a Nashville hot brisket. Can you say that, Bubba?
Well, that thing's got the roast beef. It's got the lettuce. It's got the cheese. It's got a pickle.
Tell them that's a Nashville hot brisket.
A Nashville hot brisket?
Yeah, there you go. You got it down pat. Good too, ain't it?
Yeah, really good.
All right.
I like the roast beef in it too.
Would you eat it again?
It's really good and healthy because it's got a lot of protein. And it's got a lot of vitamins and minerals in it. And that's what I like.
How about a Steel Reserve? Would that go good with that sandwich?
No, I've been trying to lay off him today.
But on any other day, a Steel Reserve would be good with that brisket, wouldn't it?
I might get one here in a few minutes. I don't know.
Would you recommend everybody to eat that?
What, drink it or eat it with a Steel Reserve?
Yeah.
Yeah, we order one, get out and go to the garage, sit around, got a pool table, she gave me a pool, drink a Steel Reserve and eat a Firehouse Sub.
Or, what kind of sandwich that is?
This is a new one.
What's the name of it?
I keep forgetting what it is.
Go and think about it now. What was the name?
Good.
What was the name of that sandwich right there? Nashville?
Nashville Sub?
No, no. It's called a Nashville. What kind of sandwich is it? Tell the world.
A Nashville sandwich.
No, it's called a Nashville brisket.
A Nashville brisket. Oh, look, that's what that beef is on it. That's a brisket.
Yeah.
Oh, beef.
Yeah. We've been talking about it since we started. It was a brisket, right?
I got you. My mind is, I'm getting old now. I can't think like I used to.
All right, Shaq. Tell the world where we at one more time.
We're at Firehouse Sub over here on Ramp 1. And
tell them what you're eating.
This Tennessee brisket, or Nashville brisket.
You want to tell the world goodbye?
Yeah, the world's been good to me. I think a lot for the world. I think a lot for a lot of people in it. And yeah, I'll just have to close it up right now. For right now. I just enjoy this sandwich. This sandwich is good.
And tell them what Popeye said.
Popeye said,